Rakuten Affiliate Program Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to all relevant products and resources are in the description. The Rakuten Affiliate Program, also known as Rakuten Advertising, is one of the biggest affiliate networks, connecting publishers with major global brands. Unlike Amazon or eBay, Rakuten works as a network that provides access to multiple merchants, including top names in fashion, electronics, and home goods. Affiliates earn commissions by promoting individual brands within the Rakuten platform, making it ideal for bloggers, influencers, and niche website owners. Features. Rakuten Advertising offers thousands of merchants to partner with, meaning affiliates can promote a variety of products across multiple industries. Commission rates vary depending on the brand, with some offering high payouts and recurring commissions. The platform provides deep linking capabilities, advanced tracking tools, and performance reports, helping affiliates optimize their earnings. Payments are processed via PayPal, check, or direct deposit, with a minimum payout of $50. Another key feature is customized commission structures, where some brands offer bonuses or incentives for high-performing affiliates. Who is it for? The Rakuten Affiliate Program is best suited for experienced marketers, niche bloggers, and influencers who want to partner with premium brands. Unlike Amazon Associates, which allows instant approval, Rakuten requires affiliates to apply separately to each merchant they wish to promote. This means it's better suited for those with an established audience rather than beginners. If you run a niche blog, product review site, or social media page focused on specific brands or industries, Rakuten can be a great way to earn high commissions from well-known retailers. Strengths and weaknesses. One of the biggest strengths of Rakuten is its high-quality merchants, allowing affiliates to promote trusted brands with strong conversion potential. The custom commission rates and bonus opportunities make it attractive for high-volume marketers. However, there are some downsides. Approval can be slow, as each brand reviews applications individually. The $50 payout threshold is higher than many other affiliate networks, making it less ideal for casual affiliates. Additionally, not all brands offer competitive commissions, so choosing the right merchants is key. Final verdict. The Rakuten Affiliate Program is a powerful platform for affiliates who want to work with premium brands and earn competitive commissions. While it may not be the best choice for beginners due to the application process and payout threshold, experienced marketers can benefit from high-paying partnerships and advanced tracking tools. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, Rakuten is worth considering. Check the description for sign-up links and recommended tools. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing insights.